Welcome to a new class of CIVL 305 Air Quality Engineering. Today we'll be talking about control of particulate material. So PM are one of the criteria pollutants. The particulates, they are directly emitted from sources such as industrial sources, combustion engines, construction activities. So they are actually have a little bit of overlap between the regular emissions coming from combustion, but also a lot of industrial activities that do have something to do, let's say woodwork, let's say construction, sand, so even just naturally from dust. So particulate matter really are a very important pollutant, and they keep showing up. On top of that, the PM is a very big group. It contains solid, liquid, lots of materials that could be absorbed on top of the particulate. So they pose a significant health risk, especially respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. Environmental impacts include reduced visibility and also damage to ecosystems. So the main two methods of treating particulates are wall collection devices and dividing devices. The wall collection devices, meaning that there is a wall somewhere, which is an actual physical barrier, that will work so that particles can be attached, can be go through. So there is some kind of a surface that interacts with the particles and makes them go away. So that's the first part, the wall collection device. So what about the dividing collection device? The dividing collection device really depends on techniques that divides the gas stream. So take the particulates out of the gas stream somewhere else. So wall collection device examples include gravity settlers, centrifugal separators, electrostatic precipitators, while the dividing collection device includes something like surface filters, depth filters, and scrubbers. So when we choose our collector, which device will we use? We have to look at what are the particle size, what is the gas flow, what is the efficiency required, the operational cost, as well as temperature, for example, among others. Now, before we start diving deep into the different collection devices, let's just look at this sheet over here. This is really important for you. These are values that you will use for solving if it's fluid at 1 atmosphere pressure and 20 Celsius. The values for density, for mu, for nu. Also, if it's air at the same things, we have different values. You have value for CP, value for R. So these are important to keep with you in the exam, so you know what are the values and how to assume them. So with this, we will start the next video with the wall collection devices in a minute.